Let's be real for a second. How many times have you laid in bed at 2 a.m., motivated out of your mind, promising yourself, tomorrow is the day. I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m., run a marathon, study for 6 hours, and eat a salad. But then tomorrow comes and you snooze, you scroll, and suddenly it's dark outside again. If that felt personal, don't click away. You aren't lazy. You just have a bad operating system. In the next minutes, I'm going to give you a routine that actually works for humans, not robots. No 4 a.m. torture, no burnout, just a science-backed protocol to hack your focus, double your free time, and actually enjoy.
Upgrade your mind growth protocol. Subscribe.
Let's fix your life. Think of your brain like a smartphone. You can have the best apps and intelligence in the world, but if your battery is at 5% and your OS is glitching, that phone is a brick. Most students fail not because they aren't smart, but because they are running on a broken battery. They overwork, burn out, then crash. We are going to install a new OS today. It's built on one rule: discipline beats motivation. Motivation is a feeling, routine is a system, and systems don't fail when you're tired. Let's kill the biggest myth right now. You do not need to wake up at 4 a.m. to be successful. That's productivity porn, not reality. The sweet spot between 5:30 and 7 a.m. Why? Because the world is quiet. The chaos hasn't started yet. But here is the one thing that is destroying your morning before it starts: the digital invasion. When you open Instagram or TikTok, the second you open your eyes, you are inviting 500 strangers into your bedroom to scream at you. Here is the action step. Do not touch the phone. Instead, hit the bio triggers. First, light. Open the curtains. Signal your brain that the hunt has begun. Second, hydrate. You aren't tired, you're just dehydrated like a dried up sponge. Third, move. Just 5 minutes. Stretch, do 10 push-ups, turn on the body's Wi-Fi so the brain can connect. Your brain has a battery bar. In the morning, it is at 100%. Do not waste this 100% energy on replying to emails or watching Netflix. That's expensive energy. Use the morning for your boss fight, the hardest subject, the code you can't crack, the math problem that scares you. One focused hour now is worth 3 hours of tired studying at night. Use the Pomodoro technique. 50 minutes of war, 10 minutes of peace. And during that break, no scrolling. Stare at a wall if you have to. Let your dopamine receptors reset. Okay, it's 2 p.m. You've had classes, you had lunch. Now, the zombie mode kicks in. This is where 90% of students lose the game. They try to force focus, fail, and then feel guilty. The fix starts with lunch. Stop eating garbage. Heavy carbs and grease are sleep potions. Eat protein. Eat light. Next, change your study style. The morning was for input, learning hard new things. The afternoon is for output, action. Your brain is tired, so don't try to memorize a textbook. Instead, do things with your hands. Solve problems, write the essay, make flashcards. Don't be a passive learner just highlighting a book. Passive learning is like throwing seeds on concrete. Nothing grows. I want you to ask yourself a question right now and be honest in the comments. When was the last time you did something creative that wasn't for school? Even elite athletes take rest days. You need a side quest. After classes, you need to change your state. Go play basketball, draw, cook something weird. This isn't wasting time. This is cleaning the cache of your computer so it runs faster tomorrow. Before you relax completely, do a light revision. Just read through your notes from the day. Summarize them in your own words. This is the save game button. If you don't do this, you played the level but didn't save your progress. We are approaching the finish line, but this is where you decide if tomorrow is going to be good or bad. Ever lay in bed thinking about all the stuff you didn't do? That's your brain holding on to open tabs. Close the tabs. Write down the 3 non-negotiable tasks for tomorrow. Once it's on paper, your brain thinks, okay, the data is safe, and it lets you sleep. Now, I need to be the bad guy for a second. The digital sunset. Blue light from your phone is telling your brain it is noon. If you scroll TikTok until 2 a.m., you are physically destroying the memory of everything you studied today. Sleep is not for resting. Sleep is when your brain processes the data. Cut sleep and you delete the data. Here is the reality. You are going to fail at this routine. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, you will slip up, and that is okay. The goal isn't to be a robot. The goal is to be consistent. Studying 4 hours a day for a month is infinitely better than studying 14 hours for 2 days and quitting. So here is my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video, get a dopamine hit, and click on the next thumbnail. I want you to try this Launchpad routine for just 7 days. If you're in, comment "I'm in" down below so I can see who's serious about fixing their life. Discipline is the price of freedom. Pay the price. See you in the next one. Peace.
Upgrade your mind growth protocol.